Okay, so how we start is do a form, caps lock, form, then do input name equals to I B1 type equals to image not image and then we do source it's gonna be from it's gonna be go see go back dot png. You could be have another like a dot something like this. I don't really remember. And then we add here in name equals method equals action equals index dot html. That's just it should be alright and good. Yep, that's alright and good. Remember, wanna have this picture and the go to the link in the description. That's gonna be it. Wanna change it something? If you don't like, well then what you do is height equals width equals like you got 100 and the 50, yes 50, and then we're gonna try it. It's change size, wow, and subscribe. Just like wow, just goes back because this is index.html. Gonna do a new one. Let's do this. Let's just copy it. I'm gonna call it index1, why not? Save. Okay, here. Save. Okay, we have index1 and index. Click this. Index1, index. Index1, index. Because if you go here, look, index goes to index1 .html and index1 goes to index.html, and so it's a loop. That's for the video, guys. Remember, these stuff. The heck did I do? No, this is in website. Look, website. No, just website tutorial thing. Remember, if you want to have this, go to the link in the description. First one, the code and a picture download. And if you want me to add in all the new tutorial sources, codes, pictures and stuff, like, subscribe, comment, just download, and then I'll do it. I'll change I'll make everything downloadable. Like this tutorial thing. Bye bye.